This is a quick tutorial about how to do a memorial bench. The sizing for the top and the bottom panels are 7.2 by 3. For the legs, I originally did the wrong size, but the size that I did was 7.6 by 5.7. Make sure that you mirror your image. I'm using an Epson 4760 to print. My paper is from Greatblanks. Ink is from Cosmos ink. Now you're gonna make sure you peel off the plastic from the blanks. The top and the bottom each have plastic on them, as well as the legs. For the seat part of the bench, make sure that you flip the blank upside down. I forgot to do that at first, so I went back and did it. I did not record it. So flip the bottom part upside down if you're gonna put words on it. Make sure you tape it down real good. I'm taking the plastic off the top piece now. Gonna tape it down real good so that it doesn't move when I put it on my heat press. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut the excess paper off so I can put it on the press. So this is that extra piece that I said that I printed out. I printed at 7.6 by 5.7. I'm taking the plastic off. You can make your square a little bit smaller so that you're not wasting so much paper and ink, but I just did it this way to make sure that I had enough of the background on the legs of the bench. Make sure that you're taping down really well so that the legs don't move when they are on the press. I'm cutting off the excess for the legs as well so that I don't get ink everywhere when I press. I press time and temp 390 and then time for 50 seconds. These are my finished pressed blanks. Now I'm going to take them apart from the paper. You need to be really careful because you can break these legs if you're not careful. These came out real nice, right? Love it. Okay, so now we're gonna take the bench pieces apart. Nice, nice. Okay, now for assembly, it's pretty easy. We just match the leg pieces to the holes on the seat and on the back. Really easy to put together. Okay, now everything, I'm just making sure it's pressed down and secure, looking good.